So what I've got on the go today is the most amazing rice ever. That is super, super tasty. Probably my favorite rice of all time. And then we've got a couple of delicious lamb shanks. That is absolutely fall off the bone, delicious stuff. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So we're going to start off with this, of course. This is our lamb shanks. I've got two of them there, as you can see. They're about 400 or 500 grams each. So like a kg, so like, 2.2 pound, a couple of pound of those. They're beauties. Let's get moving with those. So we're going to start off by browning the meat. In there I've got about 4 tablespoons of olive oil. We're going to take our shanks and put them in. I've just put the heat on. We're on a medium heat there. And at this stage I'm just going to add some salt and some black pepper. And like I say, medium heat. We're going to go for about 6 or 7 minutes, and I'm going to be turning them over quite often. And when I turn them, I'm going to add a little bit more salt and pepper to the other side. You can see I'm just standing them on their ends just to get a little bit of colour on the bottom as well. Okay, so off goes the heat. Obviously that's not cooked at all inside, we've just got some colouring on the outside. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to take these out and get a new pot, a larger pot. So you're going to need, the biggest pot you can find, I suppose. Nice large pot. I've taken the oil from the cooking of the lamb and I've put it in here now. We're on an above medium heat. Now, I'm going to show you how to do this today in just a pot. If you've got a pressure cooker, you're really going to speed the process up a lot. But we're going to go this route today. So we're going to start off by dropping in a couple of bay. In they go. 4 green cardamons. A teaspoon each of black peppercorns, cloves, and cumin seeds. Here I've got a dried black lime or lemon. A lot of you might be able to find these. Some of you won't be able to. You can also get it in powder form. Absolutely delicious. In that goes. And then onion. There's like just over 2 cups there of onion and a tablespoon of garlic. So we're going to go for about 5 minutes here, stirring fairly often. This is going to be so delicious, really. Fantastic. Okay, we're now going to add 3 cups of tomatoes that I've cut very large. Cut them smaller if you want. And then some spices. Let's have a look. So I've got a teaspoon each here of salt and pepper, chili powder, turmeric, and coriander. That's all going to go in. And we're going to go for about another 5 or 6 minutes now. Start to get those tomatoes to break down. We're nearly there. I mean, this is really simple process. Fantastic. Okay, we're going to grab our lamb shanks and drop them in. Then I'm going to add water. You could use stock if you want, but water's fine. Bit more. So enough to pretty much cover the meat there. I think that's like 3 pints. And then lid is going to go on medium heat. You need to let that go for an hour, maybe just over an hour. Like I say, if you've got a pressure cooker, that's going to do that in half the time. Okay, so off goes the heat. I've just taken the lid off, obviously. You can see that's boiled right down and that meat is now super tender. What we're going to do now is take the meat out, set it to one side and get back here. Okay, so I've just set aside the lamb shanks. Now, I've put the heat back on. I've got 3 cups here of basmati rice that I've washed a couple of times. And I always like to go double the amount of water. So 3 cups of rice would be 6 cups of water, but we do already have this in here, so I'm going to go just with 5. So 5 cups of water. The heat's on high, going to bring that to the boil, stick a lid on it. It's going to be about 8 minutes. You're going to end up with some amazing, beautiful, tasty rice. So I've just turned the heat down from high to low, but not simmer, but just low, because we're kind of at this stage now where the rice is soaking up all of that incredible flavor. You don't want it too high now. So on a nice low heat, lid's going to go back on. Now let me talk to you about the lamb shanks. What you can do now is you can pop them in the oven and roast them off for maybe 15 minutes on a kind of nice high heat. What I'm going to be doing is adding them on top here to heat them up again on the rice. So about another 5 minutes or so with that rice, and we're done. Okay, I've just turned the heat off, and that rice is really beautiful, perfectly cooked. You've got amazing flavor in there. So what I'm going to do, I'm opting for putting the meat on top here, and then I'm going to just close the lid, and it will just steam for 5 minutes, and it'll be nice and ready to serve. And there you go, really super delicious, super fall off the bone tender lamb shanks that have been pumped with amazing flavor, and then probably the tastiest rice ever. That really is super tasty, that rice. Hope you enjoy that. Please take time to give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment. I do actually try and get back to all of the comments that you leave me. And yeah, hit the subscribe button. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.